When you're running, you run for hours.
Days.
What days?
Hi, welcome to the first part of our three-part video series. My name is Nikhil Karne. I am the proprietor of Karne Foods. People have been making a lot of inquiries about spirulina, Spirex, our product. So in this first video, let us explore the origins and incredible journey of spirulina since known ancient history to its modern day acclaim. First question is, what is spirulina? So it's a very simple question to answer. Spirulina is essentially blue-green algae. It has scientific name Spirulina platensis. It grows in both natural and man-made alkaline water bodies. It requires specific environmental conditions and nutrients to give maximum yield. It is harvested and then undergoes some basic processing. The final product we come across is generally in the form of pure dried powder or compressed tablets. You can use it in our culinary practices as it is or in more inventive ways. So that's all there is basic information about spirulina. Now let us talk about historical background of spirulina. It is a well documented fact that spirulina has been used by humans for centuries. The Aztec people created highly skilled and sensitive arts, conceived perhaps the most advanced calendar of their time, and built extraordinary temples in their very clean and well organized cities. They harvested spirulina from the lakes, turned it into cakes, and used it as their daily food. Some tribes near Lake Chad, known for their skillful wood carving, have been using spirulina as main food source all this time. In 16th century, when Europeans started conquering the world, they came across spirulina through different local civilizations. Few scholars were very much intrigued by amazing health effects it had on the locals, tribal people who ate it regularly. So they started to study and experiment with it. Now let us talk about rediscovery and important studies. Since then, many European researchers slowly but clearly understood spirulina's potential as a sustainable food source. Its high protein content and rapid growth intrigued scientists on a global scale. Since 1970s, spirulina became the focus of mainstream science on the world stage. Let us see some examples of this researches to simplify. NASA investigated spirulina as a potential food source for space missions, especially the long ones. Due to its nutrient density and ease of cultivation, they think it is the best product to send with their astronauts on their missions. International Food and Agricultural Organization IFAO explored spirulina's potential as a sustainable food source, particularly for combating malnutrition in developing countries. A division of United Nations World Food Programme WFP considered spirulina as an important component of emergency food supplies and nutritional interventions in adverse environmental calamities. Various universities and research institutions have conducted and are still studying spirulina's biochemical composition, health benefits, and cultivation techniques. Now, let us talk about some of the benefits of the spirulina. What made spirulina so special for the world? In short, it's packed with nutrients, it has over 60% protein, it's rich in vitamins, loaded with minerals, and it has antioxidants promoting overall health. Currently, spirulina research is strongest in five main aspects. First, nutritional benefits. Studies continue to investigate spirulina's potential as nutrient-dense food source, particularly its protein content and bioavailability of vitamins and minerals. Health effects, including its antioxidant properties, potential anti-inflammatory effects, and effects on the cholesterol levels. antimicrobial properties. There is an ongoing interest in spirulina's antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Exploring its potential in combating infections is highest priority in the world today. Biotechnological applications. Spirulina is also being studied for its applications in biofuel production, wastewater treatment, and as a source of natural pigments, blue-green algae. Clinical trials. Some studies are conducting clinical trials to assess spirulina's efficiency in various health conditions such as cancer, diabetes, allergic rhinitis, and cardiovascular health. Today, spirulina is a popular superfood backed up by highly reputed organizations such as UN, World Health Organization, NASA, and many more. It is very versatile in terms of usage. It has vast health benefits that have made it a staple for health enthusiasts. That's the journey of spirulina along with the human civilization. In the next video, we will talk about the benefits of spirulina in detail and why you should take note of it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more information. We do not wish to bombard you with many videos but actually want to provide quality content, helpful information in small amount of videos. If you have any questions about spirulina, drop them in the comments below. Feel free to reach our email anytime. So that's all for the first video. Let us meet again in the second video. My name is Nikhil Karne. I am the proprietor of Karne Foods. Thank you.